Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to enable advanced product image zoom using the Woo Gallery plugin. Product image zoom allows customers to get a closer look and examine products that grow confidence in their purchase decisions. So let's get started. After installing and activating the Woo Gallery plugin, click on Global Settings, then navigate to the Gallery tab and open the Product Image Zoom. Here, you'll find all the settings you need to customize the advanced product image zoom for your WooCommerce store. First, select a product zoom style you prefer from the 4 styles and adjust the zoom scale as needed. Enable the mouse wheel zoom if you want. Then, choose from 4 different cursor styles specifically designed for zooming on your product images. This feature ensures that the zooming experience matches your site's aesthetic. Personalize the appearance of your zoom lens by choosing custom colors and borders. Enhance your product display with blur and custom color options for the image overlay. Easily customize the size and distance of the zoom window to fit your product display needs. This provides flexibility in how customers view enlarged product details. Disable the zoom feature for specific products or entire categories. This allows you to tailor the zoom functionality to suit your store's needs. Now, if you select the magnificent zoom style, you will find additional options, such as lens shape. Select the one you prefer. This will enhance the visual appeal of your product images when zoomed. And that's it! Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Woo Gallery tutorials for more useful tips.